we're on a mission of mercy on this red turd here to see if we can get up running better than ever before with one last fix of $13. Can we do it? I don't know. I'm GT Sam, and you're watching, well, me. What's going on, buddy? You watch GT Sam, I'm Sam, and we're diving right into this because we gotta get this little Chevy Impala Malibu thing running, because I gotta get rid of it. Facebook Marketplace is just full of weirdness, and nobody's coming to get this, coming to look at it. It's been forever. I'm tired of it. So we're going in hot and heavy with everything I have available to see what we can get going for this. So the tools are selected today were simple, but very powerful and very effective. Let me show you what I have here. Jumping right in here, so we have the King Boland K7 the code scanner. We're gonna see if we got anything for the transmission to give us any clues what's happening. We have my Anderman jump pack air compressor. This thing is ready to rock and roll. And going in with this, guys, I'm trying to instant starter fix for transmission. So we're gonna rough shifting, corrector, eliminator, the stuttering and everything like that. We need, I thought about this, we just need to have better like grip and everything like that, and some of the additives in there to get the transmission actually working in here properly. And why I went ahead and do this little additive, well, it's small, condensed, compact. You blop it in there, it's full, like 4 times the amount of normal additives for a transmission. And for the, what is it called? It's the friction modifiers, there we go. So that's what we're going for today. And funny enough, I'll tell you what, I rolled up at the shop here today with all the boys hanging out in there, went in there and just tell them, hey, here to work on this real quick. And they're like, oh yeah, like the one's like, I'm gonna, like, I'll buy if you fix it. I'm like, wait, really? So perfect timing. There's a purpose and a plan for today in this car. We're really hoping that we can get this up and running, because the one guy who works here, you know, he's got a big diesel truck, cool truck, but he needs a little bit of a kind of a beater to come around here like back and forth a couple miles. And this is it, people. This is perfect. And absolutely, I'll give him a deal on this thing. So let's stop messing around. Let's just jump right into this. And is it still locked? No, it ain't. Oh man, this thing, man. It's a perfect just beater getting around kind of thing here. And that's what we're shooting for here. How many mice have lived in here now? Wow, that's actually shocking. There's no rat's nest in here, which is actually crazy. Let's be real though. I mean, actually, you know, we still got oil, and it's, you know, good. Engine is good. That's the stupid thing. Engine good, cold air, tires, you know, it's good enough. This thing got power? It does have power. This stupid thing is making all the noise. I'll tell you what, this is actually the easiest thing to open. It's like right, ta-da! And we got our pudginess of this stuff. Good thing is, this is actually bigger than I thought it used to be. But big pudgy package right here. Cut the top, put in the dipstick fill, and then we're good to go. Grip here. Oh, you don't even need a tool. Wow. Cut here, or grip here. I don't know, whatever. All right, so we're cutting and making a hole. All right. Oh, dang, that thing just jumped. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dump it in the hole here. All right, and here we go. In we go. Squeeze. Ooh, get this stuff in my hands. Fluid is in, Anderman is in action. Let's engage. There we go. And see if we get some kind of scan going here. I'll let you know results here in a little while. Okay, we're a little warmed up. Let's see who's ready to see what happens. Brakes still work, that's always good. Drive. Yeah, that drive gear is still gone. Back into this whole shebang with the 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Boy, I got something. I think something's locked up here. Might be the brakes. Yeah, we're stuck. Okay, that's better. Heck of a, yeah, there's a little bit of hole there. All right, drive. Nope, not really. Okay, 1. Build the pressure, build the pressure. Yeah, not great, still not great, okay. All right, well, I'm not gonna bore you guys with all this, so I'm just doing what I can. So, yeah, Yeah, so we're very much stuck now. So, ain't nothing happening here. Let's put it back in the second. Not moving at all. First, drive, nothing works, and reverse is gone completely too. We're not even like on really that big of a hill. Yeah, no, we're just sitting here. Yeah, All right, well, that concludes, I think, our investigation, and still we're not getting any specific codes or anything like that, so it's toasty. So honestly, I mean, just shifted into something. Nah, we can't go forward or back. That's crazy. Well, I think we lost everything. So what to do now? Let's get the pilot and just see how well we can tow this thing. Why not, you know? I can assure you, this is not scientific or proper in any way, shape, or form. But, you know, we just gotta go a couple feet down that way. Let's see what the whole pilot can do, yo. Before you all go and get mad crazy, pilots are able to tow a couple thousand pounds, and we're not really towing. We're just kind of putting it neutral, pulling along here. So let's see what we got. Backup cam engaged, low range, engage. Here we go. Tightening. Oh, woo! Easy. Sorry, truck. I mean, you're V6 too, but come on, the pilot. We got to try it. Going for the pull. There she goes. Good pull. Oh. We lost something. Yeah, we lost something. Holy Toledo! Well, that's not really GT Sam without something weird, stupid happening. So, you know, that went bye-bye, which, okay, that's fine, but why did it fail? Well, I don't know, probably gummed it a little too much. Yeah, that sounded really bad. No doubt about that. Oh, wow. Jeez. Well, that's interesting. We did sustain some damage to the side of my Venturemobile. Oh! Poor little baby. We're definitely gonna buff that out and make sure it's okay. We might be able to buff. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. Thank God it wasn't. Yeah, we might be able to buff that out. Okay, girl. Okay. I mean, I heard smash kablooey and boom, 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 and like I thought the worst had happened. I mean, look at that. Yeah. All right, that's just paint. All right. Drop your comments down below. What should we do with this vehicle? Just take the whole thing junkyard, sell it to somebody, or are we gonna piece it out? I'm thinking piecing it out might be better. I mean, obviously the exhaust is just trasho gonzo right now, so we're wasting time and money on this right now. So we gotta get going and away from my friend's truck here. So that, you know, we didn't hit it, so that's good. It's been stupid fun, real stupid. But let's go ahead and let's get on out of here. Wow, just wow. We tried our best, people. We tried a lot of things, and was it worth it? Absolutely not. 100% no. This thing is trash. It was trash probably when it was made. It's trash now. So, I mean, to give it some credit, 182,000 miles on it. That's shocking, really. Again, it's not worth anything. So, and I'm not selling it. I'm not going to sell it to anybody I know. I couldn't do it to anybody I know. So I'm thinking we're just gonna we might part this out. I mean, take the exhaust. We might get like, you know, $75 for that at this point. The cats and everything. Maybe even I want to mess with that. Tires and rims, go ahead and get that too. And then, you know, that's kind of about it. We already did everything we could, so that's really it. Crappiest car I probably ever owned, I think. Okay, well, with that, everybody, what do you think of today's video, and what should we do about this junk of junk? So, guys, let me know in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give a thumbs up right there. Make sure you subscribe down below for more content quite like this and much more. Have any questions or comments about this, go ahead, leave it down below. And like I said, what are we going to do about this? Part out, scrapyard take it, or do I do pedal? Pedal's pretty popular, right? Just let me know. And also, if you want some merch, go ahead and check out my merch store down below for some t-shirts and long sleeve shirts and some hoodies coming up here for the holiday season. And then also, if you want some tools and stuff that we worked on for this vehicle and the Kimbalons K7 and the Anderman jump pack, links down below as well. But guys, thank you so much for watching. And I think the best part about this is my Honda Pilot and able to actually, you know, pull something like that. That was fun. And once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. It was GT Sam. I'm gonna catch you next time.